Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include parking sensors, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, DVD system, tow hitch, lane departure warning, backup camera. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.